Hi, it's Tess. I'm here today to do a plan with me in my A5 using Sweet Bean Plans inserts, which I don't know if she sells anymore, which is really, really sad if she doesn't because I love them so much. Then I'm going to use this Simply Gilded washi that I just received in the mail today in a grab bag. And it looks like glitter, but it's smooth. You know how some glitters are rough? This is like smooth. And then this gorgeous Midnight mystery box that I got from Hurricane Randi. And here's the date cover-ups and deco, full boxes, number heart checklists, and bottom washi, half boxes, and headers. And then the little clip that came with it, I fixed because my mailman broke it. So I'm going to start with the washi as soon as I find the end. It's always the hardest part, especially when it's new. I'm going to put that down first. Oops. No. Put that down. Maybe I can leave it taped to the table until I get all the stickers on. That'd be nice. I guess I'm going to have to lift it up to do the washi, so that probably won't work. But we'll leave it there for now. And then, well, I guess I'll have to put the washi on and move it, so that didn't really go over too well. So we're going to put this down next. Maybe I won't have to lift it up. Let's put the washi down. It's so pretty. Put this down on this side. I just need a little snippet off the end. To put over here. Cut this off. Okay, perfect. Now that that's out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and put the half box, well, I'll put the date cover-ups down first. At least on the days of the week, because, oh no. No. Let me take that off. Of course I need to slide this back and get in this drawer, which I have to get into all the time. Okay. I don't want that showing. Put this back down. That's better. My dog is outside the door shaking. It's Friday night. Oh, I forgot to turn the notifications off on my phone and now it's buzzing. I'm sorry if you heard that. But maybe you didn't. I don't know how the phone works with those notifications. I usually put it on silent. Okay, and there's Friday. And then Saturday. We'll do Sunday. I think Sunday will be okay if we put it on there too. I better wait until I see how the full boxes fit and everything. They're all so pretty. How am I going to choose? Maybe I'll skip the blue. I don't know. But that ties in the deco. I don't know. Let's see. I definitely want to use one of the glitter ones because it matches. That was the reason to use the glitter washi. Use this one first. Well, yeah. So pretty. Black and white. I really love this kit. I think I'm going to do this. I'm going to put the glitter headers, or the glitter boxes on Saturday and Sunday. Then this one. I'm going to skip that blue one. I mean, I had to make a decision, so I had to choose something. Ombre heart checklists. Put them at the bottom. Pink and black, pink and black. I love how black her black is. Like sometimes black looks blue or gray, but her black is black. It's awesome. Except I put it on the wrong one and her stuff is hard to get off sometimes. Oh, good thing I didn't press it down that hard. Talking and not paying attention will get you the wrong color on the wrong box. Okay, that was close. That was real close. Let's try this again with pink. Focus. That's a little crooked, but that's okay. Then I have these really cute half boxes here. And then plain half boxes here. But I only have 4 of these. I wish there were 5. I think, let me put down some of these half boxes. I think I'll put it down in the center. Kind of like this. Try to get them kind of straight anyway. And then I'll put the other boxes that have the deco on them in on the weekend because they're so pretty. So do that, and then we'll use the boxes with the pretty deco. This one. Up here. And then down here, I think I'll use the other black one with the shoe. And then, since it's the weekend, I feel like I can cover a little bit of this stuff up. All right, so the today headers first. So we have today, which is perfect because they match the date cover-ups. So I feel like I'm just extending those a little bit, if that makes sense. So I'm going to put that there, and then these here. And then I think I have just enough room on the weekend to put another header, which is going to be little things. To-dos are next. I only need 5 of those bad boys. So to-do on the bottom. Whoops. I saw Hurricane Randy posted Christmas kits already, ladies and gentlemen. How exciting. I like to get on the ball. Maybe she could do it would be nice to have a Thanksgiving kit. Because Thanksgiving, you know, is 1 week, but maybe like a Thanksgiving kit with a Black Friday icon of some sort for shopping. I don't know. I'm just throwing stuff out there. Maybe I'll mention that to her. I'd like to have some kind of turkey and pie kit. I don't know. What do y'all think of that? Little thing. I gotta change this. It's kind of got crooked. If you see sometimes a little bit of white space, these aren't Erin Condren. I mean, they are kind of sized Erin Condren, but it seems like sometimes they just don't fit exactly right all the time. So I'm putting these little thing headers under these boxes to cover up that white space. And then in the middle, I'm going to put 2 more full boxes just to kind of break it up. No, I'm going to put it on the bottom. No, I'm going to put it in the middle. Let me see if I can make up my mind. Yeah, I'll do the middle. And then we're going to do Sunday header right underneath here. And the weekend banner, which I just ripped. I ripped it. I got too excited. Look. It was cut right. It was just me being excited. And I ripped it. Because that's how I roll. I like just yanked it right off. I didn't give a care to it. I can fix it though. And a little bit of glue will fix that for sure. Okay. And then what is going on this week? So I have these left, which I'll keep. Hardly have anything left on here. I just have a couple things on this page and then the deco. So I think Tuesday I have Zumba. So I'm going to put this down here for Zumba. No, I'm not. I'll just write it on there. I'm going to take this off. I'm not going to mark anything else. I'm just going to put the deco down. Little flower. I'll have to go back in and add the dates. But other than that, everything else looks pretty good. This little pumpkin. And the shoe. Actually, I'm going to move this girl. I'm going to put her here. Okay, I think that's all I'm going to put down. So, just rip these up and cut this off. Punch the holes in the kit. Where did I put my hole punch? I highly recommend picking up anything from Hurricane Randi. Her stuff is so nice. Her stickers are very vibrant. Her paper is nice. Her customer service is amazing. She's really nice. I've gotten to know her quite a bit over the last few months, and she's just a real nice person. Okay. It kind of matches my scissors. That's funny. All right. Washi stuck to my fingers and I can't get it off. Let me grab my planner. I used this really cute kit last week from Stickersaurus Rex. Okay. Now we have this gorgeous clip. Can you see that in the frame? I'll try to scoot everything down. There we go. Let me move this out of the way. This gorgeous clip matches... I'm sorry, I'm moving the tripod around trying to get everything in the frame. This gorgeous clip matches this perfectly. It's so pretty. I love the colors. This even matched really nice. Alright, that is everything, and I will leave all the links below where you can buy the kit. Well, you can't buy this kit, but you can buy other kits from Hurricane Randi. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye-bye.